How to use coupons on Temu. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use coupons on Temu app. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Firstly, open up your Temu application and make sure that you are signed into your account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Head over to U icon at the bottom. From here, move into Coupons and Offers option. Now it will take you to this page. Now here you will find three sections: Unused, Used and Expired. Tap on Unused. In this section you can see it says Enter Coupon Code. Simply enter your promo code or the coupon code that you have. Once you have entered, click on Apply. Now when you buy something at the Temu application, at the time of checkout, your promo code or the coupon code will be used. According to your coupon code, you will receive certain amount of discount or offers. So these promo codes are usually used for discounts and offers. So that is how you can use promo code on Temu. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Until then, see you next time.